are back here for round 2. Hi everyone, my name is Val-Marie and we are back at my friend Anaïs for another round of gardening actually. So if you want to hang out with us for a little bit and plant some beautiful plants that she got for her space, then you should stay tuned. I really enjoy gardening, I really enjoy having an outdoor space. That's not my case yet, but she has this beautiful outdoor patio in a big city, so we are very, very lucky to have this space and make it the most beautiful. This is actually part 2 of a outdoor space makeover. If you haven't checked part 1, I highly recommend it. We had a lot of fun cleaning this entire space for summer. We didn't have time to tackle proper gardening last time. So in terms of plant selection, we went for a jasmine and the oleander so that it would match the wall, the beautiful yellow wall behind us, adding some more color to the space. The jasmine also smells incredibly good. I would highly recommend getting yourself one if you're lucky enough to have an outdoor space, because not only the flowers are beautiful, but also the scent is incredible. We also need to transplant an olive tree and take care of one of the dead palm tree that she has. So if you checked out part 1, you might have noticed she also changed the layout of the furniture here. It is now going to work really nicely with the jasmine in the back. Living room is now on the other side. The table is holding up really nicely, so I'm pretty happy with that. We sanded it down, reapplied some finish to it, so now it looks really, really good. Just a little bit of simple gardening to make this place even more beautiful and even more alive. Let's do it. So this palm tree here we cut last time, and as you can see, in just a few weeks it grew really nicely. So this one is definitely alive. That makes us pretty happy. For the jasmine here, Anaïs got this really, really nice planter that has some sort of a wall structure on which the jasmine can grow. Pretty nice and high. I think that we're just past the flowering season for this jasmine. It's all gonna look really good nonetheless and smells really good. Yeah, this looks like it's a little thirsty, but we're gonna transplant it, give it some love, give it some food. It's gonna be okay. This palm tree is the one that didn't survive, that we're gonna get rid of today. Right next to it, we have 2 interesting things. A new lamp that is really cool, sun-powered lamp. And look at these babies! These are sunflower seeds that actually started growing. So, very exciting. These are all of the soil bags that we needed. Pretty heavy, but Anaïs managed to drag all of this here. So, we're starting off with the olive tree and adding some clay balls, because even though there is a hole at the bottom of the pot and I'm already making a mess, it just helps with moisture control. Fun fact about this one is that we thought it was dead, but it's not dead. Apparently you put it in your hallway and it started growing. So I'm just carefully gonna, take it off. Yeah.
Yes, girl.
Okay.
Alors, les racines.
Well, okay, well, I think I'm just gonna soften the edges here. It's a bit dry. You got the regular soil and the Mediterranean one that was way more expensive, but supposedly more adapted. Is it too low? Well, a little more of this and then that. She was going to kick you out. You have no patience.
Non, mais la meuf n'a pas compris.
Wow, look at that.
C'est
Beautiful.
vrai qu'il a l'air mieux là-dedans.
Oh, the poor thing. Oh, that makes me happy. Et voilà. What a nice pot. This is so pretty. So this is not glazed, but in terms of moisture, this is great because it's going to trap and release moisture for you. There is a hole at the bottom. So I guess technically we don't have to add clay to the bottom, especially because they're a little small anyways. They're going to go through the hole. Oh, it's coming off very easily. Une copine, elle m'a dit.
Parce que je suis en train de faire le laurier là.
Ouais. Drink, drink.
Regarde ma baby.
Full sun. What a beautiful pot you got. Cute. Cute, cute. So we do have some holes at the bottom here, but just for good measure. Is that a problem? You bought the right amount. Oh my God, I love the smell so much. It smells like earth.
Ready, set, go.
Go. Le jasmin est maître du Méditerranéen.
Hop là.
Voilà.
Bravo bébé.
Look at this baby. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I feel like a kiddo right now. Voilà.
Work out, girl.
It's working out.
Working out.
It's messy. It smells great. As a kid, I'm probably, don't really remember, but I probably played a lot with soil and things like that. Silence ça pousse. Oh my God. Guys, this is from Silence ça pousse, which is my favorite French TV show about gardening. Super.
Oh là là.
Okay. Ah, good job.
Yeah, I did it. Oh wow. Oh là là, attends.
Well, camera overheated, but what we're doing is using this thing, just tying the plant onto the nice support here. Oh. Da-da-da-da-da. Let's see. Good job, us. I know this olive tree doesn't look like much right now, but guys, you gotta trust the process. Makes me so happy. You have no idea.
I know.
It's so freaking satisfying. Like, we literally just planted 3 plants and we are over the moon with the result. No, honestly, this changes the game for this outdoor space, having the plants. Very happy with the result. I hope you enjoyed this little, very simple gardening video. Hopefully this goes to show that you don't have to do much to transform a space. Just bring it to the next level. A couple of plants and that's it. It brings us so much peace and so much joy. So another way to connect with nature. This is where I leave you guys. The next video will be... I'm out of content. I'm out of content. I'm trying to harass my friends for projects because I'm running out of projects. No, but jokes aside, I think I'm gonna have some sewing videos for you next, space improvements. And these are, again, very simple projects, but the goal here is just to have fun, take a moment to chill, feel a little better one day at a time. So I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.